Hey, Dewy.McDonald here from Guaranty RV. We got a brand new 2019 32 RS Bighorn Traveler. Come on inside, let's take a peek. You see the nice big double refrigerator freezer, Dometic, double door, double top, stainless. You got your microwave, stainless, glass covered 3-burner with an oven here, a nice Corian countertop with a great big farm style sink, the one big sink, pull out, covers, nice island, there's drawers in the island, storage underneath, the drawers, solid wood, like I said, Bighorn. These are very nice units. You got a lot of cabinetry, storage. We like storage. Most women like the storage. You got the residential hinges, solid wood, storage below there. You got your nice big screen TV, more storage above there. You got your electric fireplace, your stereo DVD player, storage on both sides of the fireplace right there. Light control here. You got LED strips in the side. More light control here. You got storage above us here. Lights there. So storage throughout. Solid wood, like I said, residential hinges. You got your great big window in the back, windows on the side. Here, you got a great big viewing area, like if you go to the beach or something, you back up into the spot. You got your sofa hide-a-bed here, your Thomas Paine furniture. These are recliners. These are actually electric, so they're vibrating, heated massage. So you just push the button and they open. They're not on here, but that's okay. So they're electrically controlled. You got your ductwork in the floor going around the tanks and stuff. So this is a 4 Seasons trailer. More, you got your MCD roll out, dark shades here. You got tinted glass. These are the tinted glass. More light switches there. You got your table and chairs with an extension here. You got another couple chairs that are under the bed. And then, of course, more pantry area here. Huge storage area for a 32-foot trailer. Lots of room. More there, more there. This is your control panel here for all your lights, your awnings, your light switches for your ceiling fan, and right there, stereo. So come up here, step, you got a nice big grab handle here. You walk into it's got the new door that swings. So you got a big shower there with the glass doors, pantry, porcelain toilet, storage, lots of room. And you walk into the main master bedroom. You got a king size bed, walk around with washer dryer hookups available in this closet, and then mirrors on the outside, and then you got a great big closet going in there. So lots of room in the front here, hanging clothes. And then underneath the bed there's always storage, and that's where there's 2 chairs. Chairs are located for the front. And then you got a dresser here. Like I said, solid rollerball hinges, sliders, nice. Window here, you got cross ventilation, you got windows on both sides of the bed. You got your Whisper quiet air conditioner, LED lights, speakers above us, satellite high definition antenna. You got your electric awning, LED strip underneath the awning. You got nice big cargo area, pre-wired for TV. There's electrical. It's actually heated storage area, magnetic cover. Here's where your propane tanks. Propane tank on this side, propane tank on this other side. These are hydraulic jacks, so auto leveling jacks. Hydraulics is a better system than electric. So if you have an issue down the road, you can, one of them goes out, you can still raise the coach. You got storage in the front. This has got the tight turning radius for a short box. with the fiberglass cap. Here's your auto level controls right here. This is pre-wired for solar. More storage area in the front. So here's your for your water sewer connections, outdoor shower there, your gray water, everything's right there, one spot. There's your water heater, your drains for your tanks. Here's your power cord plug-in right here. Got a ladder on the back. A lot of guys like to, this has got a big steel bumper. A lot of guys like to put a bike rack on the back so you can haul bikes. You got a backup camera pre-wired for backup camera. Bighorn Traveler, one of our nice units. So if you're looking for a fifth wheel, toy haulers, whatever, camper, trailer, whatever we carry, I'm more than glad to help you. Dewy.McDonald here, Guaranty RV.